All right, welcome to LearnWire. Before I jump into this video, we're going to be talking about Copy AI in a minute, but I wanted to just remind you guys that you guys can check out the second link below and go and vote on the next video, right? I've got a bunch of videos in here for this channel, and if you want to be a part of what video and decide what videos I create in the future, just click that link and go vote. All you have to do is just click these heart signs right here, and you can see like this one has 3 votes, 3 votes, 3 votes. So I'm gonna need to do a Scrappy review. There's a workflow review that someone created this and then 2 people voted on it. So obviously there's people that are thinking the same thing. LearnWire, Writers in. It almost sounds familiar, like I already did one of these before, but maybe I'll do another video for you guys, a fresh video. Marco Polo I think is off. I'll probably take this one off. I did do a balloonery earlier. My last video I posted was balloonery, and it is similar to Marco Polo. It is an AI advertising tool. So I really like that one. I wish I would have gotten into Marco Polo. I just didn't get a chance to do it. Maybe I can still go and pull something off. And if it's still available for the Plus members on AppSumo, then maybe I can get that one out. So anyways, this one right here, just go and vote. I mean, all it takes is some of these ones with just 1 vote. If you like these, all you have to do is just click it and it's going to go to the top and get more votes, and I will get to those. Of course, I'm throwing in videos in here that are not in here as well, but this is definitely going to be, I'm going to prioritize these videos on here, right? So go and vote. Let's go jump in. So Copy AI, I'm getting a lot of questions from you guys, and it seems like every day I'm getting people talking about Copy AI. I don't know how or why the software is getting even more popular. It doesn't really need any help getting more popular, because when we come over here, you can see that it's getting almost 5 million people visiting the site per month, and look, it's just growing like crazy. This business is just growing like crazy. Whatever they are doing, they are just killing it. And I bring that up because even we come over here to Jasper, right? Jasper AI. And I'm on the pricing page. I'll talk about that in a sec, but we go over here and look at them. They're growing, but they're just not growing as fast. They're just not growing quite as fast. They've got almost 4 million going on right here. So, nothing to, laugh about or anything like that. They're destroying it as well, getting 4 million visits to a SaaS software. So they are making a lot of money. But the two go hand in hand. Both softwares are amazing. And if you ask me, you guys keep asking, what are my top AI writing tools? It is really hard. I'll probably come up with a ranking video, but I can tell you that in my top super list, these two would be hand in hand up there with the best of the best. There's a reason why they're getting 4 and 5 million visitors a month. People wouldn't be using these tools if they didn't work, and I can prove to you that these tools work, and that's what's really cool, and that's what separates me from other software review channels, is that I actually use these softwares. Not all of them. Some of them, if it doesn't really gravitate with me in my business, then of course I'm not going to buy the software. I'm still going to review it for you guys, but I'm maybe not going to use it in my own business. But a lot of the AI writers, I do a lot of testing, right? And I do that testing and then actually see if I can fully write an article using these softwares, and then go and see if it actually ranks on Google. And right now I can even tell you that my AI content is even passing this new Google helpful content update. My site has not been impacted at all from the Google content update. And then I'm going to show you, like right here. Now I'm going to log in. I'm going to, stop showing my keywords. I'm sure you guys understand that. I had one in here that I showed, and immediately, like, it was literally ranked on page 2 or page 1 overnight. And then I don't know what happened, but it just got completely taken off, and just went out into outer space. And so I'm not going to really share my keywords anymore. And I may have some sites that I work on that are dedicated just to testing. And that's something that I'm thinking about doing, where I literally don't care if I share the site with you, if I share the keywords with you. It's just going to be for, ranking and testing purposes for you guys. But in this case, this is SERP Robot, and you can see I do keep track of the different softwares I'm using. Like if I optimized it with LearnWire, I have it right there. Some content writers that I hired on iWriter, I use another service over here. And then this 500 and 2000 and 1000, those are actually the length of the articles. I'm not really labeling those anymore, but that was just something like that was a thought, if I could find a correlation between the length of the articles or not, right? But we have outranking, we have copy AI, we have Chibi, and this is something that I'm going to be doing a review on soon as well. I wrote one article and immediately ranked, so that's a really cool software. I will stick around and I'll be doing a Chibi review. Some of you have mentioned that as well. And so forth, right? And then right over here, this is my actual writer that I hired for my site that I'm going to be, and right away their articles are ranking as well. So, but right here, look guys, Copy AI. I currently don't have a subscription to Jasper, but I am going to probably be picking one up again and writing a bunch of content with them and Copy AI, kind of putting them head to head, seeing which ones are coming out ahead. But right here, Copy AI. Now look at this chart, guys. Look at this chart. I blocked out the keywords, obviously, but you can see this was just updated. Look, it's September 15th down here, September 15th, and then this is ranked from yesterday. These actually have search volume. These are keywords that actually have search volume. And look, we're ranked number 5 right here. This moved up 18 spots overnight, moved up to number 5. And these are articles that have only been published for about maybe 3 weeks or so. And they ranked literally within a week on this website. And they've been, these two right here ranked number 5, went right into number 5, and then they've been just sitting there at number 5. I'm sure a really nice backlink would pop this one up to rank number 1 or number 2. And then this other one right here has ranked as good as 34, currently ranking number 8. So I've written 3 articles with Copy AI, and I literally didn't do anything to them. I just published them. And a lot of people would say, don't do that. But some of this is just for testing purposes, guys, okay? And I've had someone email me before saying that, that's not cool, like teaching us to use AI and then like publish it immediately and stuff. You guys do what you guys want, okay? We have to be responsible for our own actions and our own risks that we take. I will publish this, take it straight from AI and publish it on my site. That's my choice, right? I get to decide that. And they're ranking right here. And they passed so far the Google Helpful Content Update that has been launched for the last 2 weeks. And so they're ranking nice and strong. So this is Copy AI, 100% generated from Copy AI. And I'm going to show you how to create an article really, really fast with Copy AI. There will be a link below if you guys want to go sign up. It does have better pricing than Jasper. I was lucky enough to get on their unlimited plan about a month ago. That was, I put a video out and I was a little late to the game and I apologize for that. And there's people that are like, dang it, I missed it. And like every day people are like, dang, I missed this deal. Where I was able to get on the unlimited plan for $40 a month, I think. So $40 a month, and I'm on unlimited with Copy AI. And the software is just brilliant. I mean, I really don't need another software, but I like to have the other softwares to share all those with you as well. But anyway, the software is really cool. And you can see right here, look, here's all the history. I'm using this to write ad copy for my course. A little bit of the Affiliate Profits Academy. I wrote some sales copy with it right there. I am writing YouTube descriptions with it right here. Mew AI, I wrote a description right there. I wrote some articles, benefits of drinking water right there, how to become a summer camp counselor, all kinds of stuff right here. Like I'm doing a ton of work with Copy AI, and there is like almost 100 tools in here that you can use. Every time you click one of these, a bunch of different tools open up. I actually like the interface. It's a little like maybe some people say maybe it's not as slick. I think it's actually really slick, and you can find everything you need over here on the left side. You can search for it. You can expand all and go down and see everything that's available, or you can just say what's YouTube related, and then you have 3 right here that are YouTube related. You can go blog related, just type in the word blog. Here's all the blog stuff, right? And then you can go projects, templates, new project. It's super, super easy to use. And I'll show you. So if we go into blog ideas, right? And let's just say we want to go with, let's do something fun and something different. Let's just say pickleball expert and how to start playing pickleball as a beginner. Okay, And then you have all these different choices down here. Many tools do have this right over here. Writer has something similar like than this as well. We can go with professional, relaxed, witty. I like to go with like relaxed is really nice, and professional I think are really good, and witty is really good. But let's go with relaxed. And we can get some blog ideas over here. So we have how to play pickleball as a beginner, a blog about the proper ways to start pickleball. All you have to do is just copy. You can come over here and in your notepad. It's just so easy to use, guys. I love the notepad over here. A blog about proper ways to start pickleball, what time of year is best to start playing pickleball. That could be another article right there. And you just have all these different article ideas. The 5-step beginner guide to playing pickleball. A helpful blog for those who want to play pickleball and don't know where to begin. Cool. So we've got all these different blog titles that it just kind of came up with for us. We can select save, or we can select more like this if we want to. And then what we're going to do is now you can do intro. You can write like go straight into an introduction right here. You could go into a conclusion, an outline. We could create the outline. But let me show you the coolest part. And the way that I ranked these 3 articles over here, the way that I created all 3 of these articles is the way that the wizard that I'm going to show you right now. So we can come over here into, I believe it's projects. We can go blog wizard right here. Blog wizard. We can go blog title. And I'm just going to grab this first one that we had over there. And that's why I copied it over into a notepad. We're going to go like that. And then we're going to go right here. It's just going to say how to play pickleball. Pickleball for beginners. Pickleball guide. And then we have friendly tone, relaxed. Friendly is a really good one. I'm going to go with friendly, and we're going to say generate outline. Just boom, it's going to go out here, and you're going to see like it's just complete hands off. You don't really have to do much. It's going to come up with all these talking points, right? So you're going to assess your skill level. You're going to gather the right equipment, get familiar with the rules, familiarize yourself with the pickleball etiquette. These are really good ones. Like it's like there's some golf type. It's kind of like golf or volleyball and tennis. There's definitely some proper etiquette. Practice often, work developing a good serve, stay in position when returning and volleying shots, hit the ball as hard as you can, but keep it below 11 feet high. I don't know where that came from, but cool. It's very specific. Play smart and be patient, have fun. Pickleball is one of the fastest growing sports in the United States, so if you're curious about it, now it's a great time to start playing. Okay, so this is really cool. Look at this giant outline that it went out, and we didn't have to go out and do all this, in all these different softwares and drag and drop and build it ourselves. The software just came up with it. Everything's right and relevant, on point. I love it. And then you just say, generate talking points. Now here's where some more magic happens. This is why this tool is just insane. It's going to take each one of those talking points, and each one of these is going to end up being like a paragraph as well. So now it takes this to a whole nother level. You can add more talking points right here. You can generate them, or you can regenerate the talking points if you don't like them as well. So here we go with this giant list right over here, and now we just say generate. So notice I haven't typed anything in other than the blog title and the keywords, and that's the only typing that I've done, and I've just pushed generate. And it's very fast too, very fast. Now we have our introduction. We have assess your skill before you're starting. It's important to know where your skill level is. The best way to do that is to ask a friend or family member and see if they would be willing to give you a few pointers on how you can improve. If they're able and willing, they might even play with you so that you can to help guide your movements through the court and give advice along the way. That's going to be a way that it can help you assess your skill level, right? Introduction, pickleball is one of the fastest growing sports in the United States. So if you're curious about it, now is the great time to start playing. It's fun, easy to learn, and great exercise. If you're looking for more information on how to get into pickleball or are just starting out with the sport yourself, read on for more tips from experts at U.S. Pickleball Association. So in this particular point, instead of saying read on for some tips from experts, I'm just going to say read on for some tips from people that actually play the sport and were beginners, not too long ago. So definitely read through the intro and then kind of skim through and see if there's anything like that one where it was calling out an actual website or agency or community, something like that. Then you definitely want to get rid of that. So I went ahead and got rid of that sentence. But look, this is what's so cool. It actually breaks this up. Get familiar with the rules. Pickleball's across between tennis and ping pong. That's true. That's actually true. I would even say tennis as well. It's just a slower tennis game, really. I think it's a little bit closer to tennis probably, but it's in between ping pong and tennis. It's slower than ping pong and tennis. The ball doesn't travel as fast, and that's what's really intriguing and fun. So people can actually have fun playing like a tennis type game and get good exercise, but not have to be running at full speed, 100 miles an hour. But I like this, the 4 basic rules that all players should know. And I'm really not sure what this is, but the ball may only bounce once. And so it went out and found this information and it broke it up into bullet points. So, but right here, a player may not hit the ball. This rule helps. You can't let this one right here, I'm just going to say 3 because there's only 3 bullet points, right? So I would just spend literally 3 minutes going through this, read it. Obviously, I'm giving you guys a good advice to read through this. You guys have seen how I went through here and fixed a couple things. But once you get done reading through this and everything looks good, there's no, everything looks pretty factual, things like that. And look at how much content this is. It's just insane. We're at a 1,400 word article, guys. 1,400 words. There's softwares that struggle to get a 1,400 word article with you telling it all the different H2 topics, right? And this one, it did everything, all the work itself, come up with an almost 1,500 word article. It's writing at 9th and 10th grade. I would like to see that come down to 8th grade, but that's still not too shabby, right? Like I said, it's like 1 grade off. That's pretty darn good. So then all you do is create blog post. That's like your rough draft. And look how beautiful this blog post looks. It looks like we just went and hired a writer to do this. Even the formatting is insane on this article. This is why Copy AI is my favorite AI writing tool right now. So you guys are asking me, I have Brainwork, I have Word Hero, I've used Jasper for months and months and months. I make hundreds of dollars a month being an affiliate with Jasper, by the way. And I'm still, there's just software after software. I pay $60 a month for outranking AI, and I've used, I can't even off the top of my head come up with all the softwares that I use. There's Longshot AI, there's Writer. The list keeps going on. And guess what? Copy AI right now is my favorite. It's because of this. I showed you. You don't have to, it's not, I'm going to have an affiliate link below, and that's really cool. If you guys go and sign up for Copy AI with my affiliate link, you don't have to. But it's not that I'm just over here trying to be an affiliate for the software. I test these out. I have proof that this works right here. I use this in my business. I've tested out almost every AI writer out there. And this is just my favorite, the easiest to use, and you can use it. It's very quick. And then if you need to do any kind of other copywriting for your website, like I said, we can actually come back in here and then here's the article. We can start adding more stuff to this. So it's just really, really user friendly. Okay. So it's already saved, but then you can just jump right in to a new project, and you can just choose if you need website copy or you need to run ads. You need you can use the tool for anything. Okay. So this is my tool of choice right now, guys. This is the tool that I want to experiment more and more. This is the tool that I want to write more content. Obviously, Google likes this content, or they wouldn't be letting it sit here at ranked midway through page 1 for keywords that actually have search volume. It's obviously doing a pretty good job creating content, or we wouldn't be ranking over here with literally, this was me not even touching, putting a hand on the content, and you could see how I did that with this pickleball stuff. And so if you would just spend crank out an article and then spend 10 minutes going and reading through it, optimizing it, adding some things, you're going to be well on your way to creating some content, ranking content. So Copy AI is my tool of choice. I want to get that out here right now. Currently in September 15th, 2022, I am going with Copy AI as my #1 tool of choice for for AI writing right now. Now, that doesn't mean that all these other tools that I've done reviews on, that I don't have an opinion on them, and that doesn't mean that they're not good softwares, okay? I don't really want us to get into a debate on which one's the best. Some of you might comment below and say Copy AI trash, #trash, something like that. That's cool. That's your choice, and that is your opinion as well. I'm showing you proof right here that this content ranks. It's Copy AI content. I wrote 100% in here, and it ranks, and it has search volume. I don't know what else to tell you. I gave you a demo as well of some pretty darn good content that it came out with. And we actually didn't type any of the content. We just pushed 3 buttons and then it came up with a 1,500 word article. So yeah, that's where I'm at with AI writing tools. Copy AI right now is currently performing the best for me, and it is my favorite to actually log in and use. So that's important as well, right? So there you go, guys. If you do want to pick this up, then click the link below, go check out the pricing, and go sign up. I appreciate you guys. See you next time.